Let's cut through the Hollywood myths. Real hacking isn't about dramatic green text and racing against the clock. It's about using computers to test security, find weaknesses, and protect digital worlds. Cybersecurity is booming, and ethical hackers are in high demand to outsmart real threats. But where do you start? It can seem overwhelming with all the jargon and tools. Here's the secret. Most pros use a free, powerful operating system built for hacking, Kali Linux. Think of Kali as your digital lab, packed with everything you need to learn, test, and secure networks. It's not for gaming or social media. It's for those ready to dive deep into cybersecurity. Using Kali is like getting the keys to a race car, powerful, exciting, and demanding responsibility. If you want to understand how the digital world really works and help keep it safe, Kali Linux is your launchpad. Ready to see what's under the hood? So, what is Kali Linux? It's a specialized version of Linux, built for one-job ethical hacking. Based on Debian, Kali is loaded with tools for penetration testing and security auditing. Imagine a toolbox on wheels. Every tool inside is for probing, testing, and analyzing digital systems. Kali standardizes the toolkit, saving you time and ensuring everyone's on the same page. It's pre-installed, pre-configured, and ready for action. But with great power comes great responsibility. Kali is for learning how to secure, not exploit. Ethical hacking means using these tools to strengthen defenses, not break them. Companies pay experts to find weaknesses before criminals do. With Kali, you're training to be a digital locksmith, not a burglar. Here's where Kali shines: over 600 pre-installed security tools, all organized for every stage of a security test. For mapping networks, there's Nmap. For finding vulnerabilities, tools like Nessus and OpenVS. Web app analysis? Burp Suite has you covered. Password cracking? John the Ripper and Hashcat test password strength. Wi-Fi security? AirCrackang exposes weak wireless networks. Kali is open source, so anyone can inspect or improve it. No secrets, just transparency. Built on Linux, it offers powerful scripting and automation through the command line. You can chain tools together, creating custom workflows for any security challenge. It's a professional's toolkit, but also a playground for learning. With Kali, you're equipped for real-world cybersecurity work from day one. You might wonder, why not just use Ubuntu or Mint and add these tools yourself? Regular Linux distros are built for daily tasks. Kali is laser-focused on security testing. It's not meant to be your main OS. Running as root gives you power, but also risk. One wrong move or a bad script can wreck your system. Kali's software sources are specialized. No games or office suites, just security tools. This ensures everything works together smoothly, without conflicts. Using Kali is about choosing the right tool for the job. It's a sharp, purpose-built instrument for those serious about cybersecurity. If you're here to learn security, Kali is your best environment. Now you know what Kali Linux is and why it's the go-to for ethical hackers. The best way to learn? Dive in, safely. Use a virtual machine like VirtualBox to run Kali on your current computer. This creates a safe sandbox to experiment, break things, and start over with zero risk. Don't try to master every tool at once. Pick an area, like Wi-Fi or web security, and focus on one or two tools. Tons of free tutorials and videos can guide you step by step. Be patient. Build your skills brick by brick. Kali is your gateway to a world of cybersecurity challenges and opportunities. As you grow, you can join bug bounty programs or pursue certifications. The field is tough, but you'll help protect people and solve real puzzles. Download Kali, fire up that virtual machine, and start your journey. The digital world needs you.